Okay, so this is how we pack this swag up. You don't need to zip these all the way up. Just zip it up a little bit. Right, pop out this top hole. It gets shorter and folds in half. Go around, unclip. Now you can leave all your stuff inside, but try not to have it against the edges, so like put it in the middle. Your pillows can stay in, but if you want to chuck them in the car, then that will be a bit easier. Alright, so when you've unclipped all those, pop that out and they fold twice. Okay, so I'll leave this one as well. Pop it out, fold twice. We don't take those poles out. Try and keep them in the center. Okay, and just fold everything down. Because it rolls from that end to this end, I like to put that one over in the middle so it's sort of not as chunky when you roll it. Okay, so you're not looking at my butt. So at this point, the three main poles are left in. Their little sections are just folded up against them, like that. And we just sort of tuck in anything hanging out down the sides too much. Doesn't have to be perfect. Okay, now this bit is kind of important. So this pole we took out first, it goes there and we roll around it. If you forget it and shove it in at the end, it's not good enough. Unroll it, put it back in the middle, because if that's on the outside of the bag, anything drops on it, this pole gets smashed. Okay, so that pole's got to be in the center. And now, you just wrap around it. If you find it hard to sort of squash it down, use your knees, get on it with your knees and sort of roll a little bit. That's cool. Just keep sort of squaring it up as you go. If you've got someone who can stand on the end, that'll be useful. Just tuck the ropes in. Alright, when you get to about there, grab the tail. Kayla, zoom in on this. Closer. Right, this will make your life easier. Instead of just putting it through and doing the normal like that, that's fine. It's just a pain in the butt to undo. So we're going to go back a step. Right. Oh, if you've got it right, the naming is on the outside. Darche's on the outside. Put it through. That bit's normal. Then double this tape over. Push the double tape between the two rings and pull it like that. So it's done up firm, but then to undo it, you just have to pull the tab. Makes your life easier. Like so. Repeat. So this is easier if you're kneeling on it, okay? Because it can't unroll while you're on it. Double over. Pull it tight. You won't get it that small if you've got your bedding inside, okay? So don't stress about that. Then the bag. The bag is huge. I always leave it flat on the ground, throw the bag over the top, flip it over, zip at each end. I like to leave zips in the middle in case one of them breaks. Now, tons of room there. If you're putting it inside the car, that'll do. If you put it on the roof rack though, use these straps here. So just take out as much spare as you can, I suppose. Again, same thing. Double it over. Like so. Again, tuck all that in. One through. Double it over. Pull it back. So, yours won't look quite like that. Your swag will be bigger because you've got stuff in it. But as you can see, there's tons of room. Yay!